This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on MUMU Player. First, you will need to download the MUMU Player emulator from its official website. The installation process is straightforward, typically taking only a few minutes to complete. Once installed, launch the emulator and locate the Google Play Store icon on the home screen. This initial setup is crucial for accessing your favorite mobile games on your computer. After launching MUMU Player, open the Google Play Store and sign in with your existing Google account. This step is essential to access the vast library of Android applications. Once logged in, use the search bar to find Clash Royale. The game should appear as one of the top results. Click the Install button to begin downloading and setting up the game on your emulator, which usually takes a few moments. Before diving into the action, consider optimizing MUMU Player's settings for the best Clash Royale experience. You can often adjust CPU and RAM allocation within the emulator's settings menu for smoother gameplay. Once configured, simply click on the Clash Royale icon on the MUMU Player home screen to launch the game. Remember to log in with your Supercell ID or Google Play Games account to access your existing progress. Playing Clash Royale on MUMU Player offers several advantages, including enhanced control. You can utilize keyboard mapping to assign specific keys for deploying troops and spells, providing much greater precision than touch controls. Experiment with custom keybinds to find a setup that perfectly suits your playstyle. Enjoy the strategic battles on a larger screen, giving you a clearer view of the arena and your opponent's moves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.